Brother, this is Shay. We're talking about what to do when it feels like sexual performance anxiety is blowing our chances. Maybe this is with someone we love or someone that we're seeing. That's exactly what this video is going to be about. First of all, in the bottom right hand corner, you will see a red subscribe button. If this video is helpful for you, then click on that so that you can get the newest tools and videos as I share them. Okay, so what do we do when it feels like we're blowing our chances? We can start to have these types of thoughts in our mind like, I don't get many chances to make this right, or what if they find somebody else that can give this to them? What if I lose the love of my life? So there's a lot of these what if questions that come into our mind, and ultimately we feel like we don't want to lose the person that we love, or we don't want to lose this person that we've just started getting to really know them and we really like them. We don't want that to finish because of this. So why is that happening? And what do we do to be able to change that? Well, you can see when we're asking these types of questions like, what if they find somebody else? Or what if they leave me because of this? We're putting everything down to sex. We're putting everything that we stand for and who we are as a person, we're putting it all on the line for one thing. And in reality, we know that's not true. You know and I know that sex is just one part of us. There's many different qualities that you have. Sex is one part. It doesn't represent the whole. Now, I know that doesn't make things easier, but hear me out here. When we do this, so when we go into this mindset of thinking that we see sex, our performance, our sexual performance as us, as one, rather than a part of us, we go into this desperation zone. We go into this desperation and hoping and clinging because we're experiencing sexual performance anxiety. So for us to be able to change that, we have to do two things. The first thing is realize that sex is one part of us. And yes, whilst I'm working through this and getting it sorted, I also recognize that I have many other qualities. It's important, we must remember that. And how do we remember that? By focusing on two things each day. In the morning when you wake up and look in the mirror, I want you to just notice two things that you are grateful for about yourself. Could be to do something with mindset, could be to do with health, could be finances, spirituality. I don't care, anything that you feel you're grateful for about yourself, find it. And two things each day. You can either write it down or say it in the mirror to yourself. What this does is it helps to balance out this mindset of thinking that what's going wrong, why can't I get this right? Okay, we balance that out with gratefulness, gratitude. Secondly, we must move forward and get this sorted. Okay, it's easier to stay stuck in the mindset of what if they leave me, what if she finds somebody else or he finds somebody else, because we're in this fear state, and it's a state of, it doesn't feel like it's comfortable, but it is a state of comfortability because it's protection. We're keeping ourselves withdrawn and safe. We don't have to put ourselves out there. So for us to be able to move forward and get this sorted, we have to take action. That's why I've developed something called the Performance Anxiety Quiz. This is 10 yes or no questions that you can ask yourself. This will take you less than 2 minutes to complete. Below in the comments, I've put the link to this quiz. Click on that link. It will take you straight to the page where you can answer yes or no to the 10 questions. I will then send you your personal score plus a brand new tool so that you can start getting to the bottom of this and figuring out what's going on so you can get it sorted and start feeling normal again. Okay, if that sounds good to you, then click on the link below and I will see you at the quiz.